How to fix cannot connect to App Store error on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. The very first solution is you have to give fresh restart to your iPhone. For that, head towards the app settings, open it. Over here you will find different options. Scroll down and head towards the option of general, open it. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom you will find the option of shutdown. You have to tap on that option. Now you have to slide this icon to the right and your phone will be turned off. After you turn off your phone, turn it back and just check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, the second solution is go to this option of date and time, open it. Toggle on for this option of set automatically. With that, your problem might be fixed. Now head back to the main page of settings. Now you have to check your network settings. If you are using the Wi-Fi, just open the option of Wi-Fi. Now toggle off for this option of Wi-Fi for the few seconds and again toggle it on. In the case you are using mobile data, you can open this option of mobile data. Now scroll down. Over here you will find the option of App Store. Toggle on for this option of App Store. With that you will be good to go. Now heading towards the next solution, open your Apple ID. Now over here you will find different options. Go to the option media and purchases. Now you have to sign out of your App Store. So tap on this option of sign out. After you sign out, again type in your email address and password and sign in back, and you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now the very last solution is you have to update your software. For that, scroll down and head towards the option of general. Go to the option software update. If any updates are available over here, you can just tap on this option of download and install and update it. With that, your problem will be fixed. Applying all of these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix cannot connect to App Store error on iPhone. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.